Hello guys. So we are talking about the sitemaps. What are the sitemaps? Why we need it? Sitemaps are very important regarding SEO. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. What is optimization? Search engine. You know the search engine. Bing, Google, Yahoo. These are the search engines. When any user come on the browser and search for their query, like best hotel in my area, then search engine finds the result across the websites and get the best results to you. So optimization means the best and most effective use, means you can say conditioning, means understanding. So any search engine, Google or Bing or any search engine, searches for the user's result. So how the search engine get your website to the top or the best level if it does not know your website well? When you go somewhere in searching for any shop or any house, so when you ask for someone, so when he or she does not know about that thing what you are asking, then then how we get you the best result? With the help of the sitemaps, Google search engine or any search engine can know your website well. In one line you can say that this is the list of your all pages. As like you can see my website here, this is my website and these are the pages. These are the links where you can navigate and go and search for something. So sitemap is the list of these pages. So good sitemap acts like a roadmap to your website because they allow Google to quickly find your essential website pages. You've heard about the crawling, the list of your website pages. Google can crawl across them to get the best material. And what is the XML in this scenario? XML is like a database management system. It kept data in tags. XML will keep the list of your pages in the perfect order. So first step is create the XML sitemap. To do this, we have many websites. You can search create XML sitemap. But you can use this one or this one. This is the XML sitemap generator. And this is the another Xml Sitemap.XML. You have to paste the URL here and it will create your sitemap. In this website there are many options. Online generator, a generator for sitemap. Here you can download the Windows software to create the same. Online generator, if you go to the online generator, then this page will open. Okay. Website address. This is my website. I take the URL from here and paste it here. Okay, this is modified date. You can select the monthly or weekly. I select the weekly. Simple website, not updated daily. This is default priority, set it on none. This is for email address. You can type your email address here, and this is for captcha. Click on generate sitemap. You can see here the sitemap is processing. Let it complete. Okay, sitemap completed. Here you can see the sitemap report, the clear linking or navigation to the 57 pages. And the worst thing is 47 pages encountered an error. So these pages are not mapped in your sitemap. You can sort it out in very simple way. I will show you. This is the download button. You can click. This will download a zip file. I will show you the difference of this website and this website also. This is very simple. Here you can type your URL of your website and start, and it will download a single XML file. But the first website what we have used to create the sitemap, that website have downloaded us for a zip file, and you can extract it. This website has generated so much important files, error files also. Okay. First we see what this website does. View sitemap detail, click on this and download XML sitemap file. And here you can see this will download a simple sitemap XML file. Click on this. And here you can see this is the sitemap. In this file you can see the simple things. This is the tag, URL, and every page is mapped here in each different tag. Means like first page, and then default.aspx, then homepage.aspx. As like this, every page has been mapped here in the XML file. You don't have to understand it. Let it to the Google do for you. Close it. I'm going to close this website also, this also. When we see this file, this is the simple one file, sitemap sitemap.xml, and this folder gives you many files. This is the sitemap file, the same file like that I have shown you. Some other files, some other important files. This is the list. Text file, simple text file for your use. Every page, link of every page here has been mapped. URL of every page in simple text file. This will help you in future use. And you can see this HTML file also. So this file is very important. We can upload this page to our website for the help of users. You can click on any link and the page will open. And the another file you can see, robots. I am going to explain this file in the next video. Robots. This is the very important topic of SEO. And here is one another important file, very important file, you can say, errors. When first I have got to know this sitemap, and I have downloaded the sitemap.XML file from many websites several times, but this website gives me such more important files. These are the errors what I have shown you. After download that zip, 47 errors, you have seen that 47 errors means 47 pages does not map to your sitemap.xml. Here you can see parent page, means in this page these 4 URLs have the error 404. The message not found. Not found means these pages are not available. These are the wrong navigations in your page. You can see, I will show you. As like we take first example, downloads.axpx. In download folder, I have opened my website in Visual Studio. This is the download folder, you can see here. And in the download.aspx, here we can see those links which are wrong. I copy this, search here. So see this. This is the error navigation. We can see here tutorials and see the structure. There is no page such name. In running website we can check it. Downloads, and here is the top tutorial C program. Okay, so here is the error. Page is not found. So this is how you find the navigation errors on your pages or resolve it. In the next step, we are going to upload this file to the hosting panel, or you can say hosting server. After resolving it, create XML file again and upload that. Now we are going to see how to upload it. After uploading, there is an important thing, the crawling, search engine crawling. So we have to crawl our XML file. So Google can crawl across your every important page, your every navigation. After uploading, I will show you. This is my file manager. Your file manager can be differ, cPanel or any according to your hosting server. In the file manager, search the upload button and select your sitemap file. This is the XML file. Make sure this is XML file. Click on upload. I have one file already there, sitemap.xml, my old file. So it will ask you to replace them. So replace it. So in the root folder, in the website's root folder, you have uploaded your sitemap.xml file. This is the file. Now what is important, Google will not recognize this automatically. So you have to crawl this file. You have to crawl your website. How to do it? Go to the webmaster. Write on Google webmaster. And there is. Just click on sign in. It will open like this. Okay, this is my new website. If you have not added yet your website to the Google Master, Google Search Console, so here you can add your website. Here you can add, I have added already. Add property, click on add property and paste the URL of your website and continue. Will be added to your Google Search Console or Webmaster, you can say. What is next? How to crawl the website? Here you can see your left panel, right here, sitemaps. Click on it. You can see here, this is the URL of my website. I have told you that upload the sitemap file on the root folder, not in any folder. On the root folder means main folder, the website and slash and the sitemap.xml. You can see the name here, sitemap.xml, and click on submit. Submitting sitemap. Okay, sitemap submitted successfully. And here you can see the important thing. Google will periodically process it and look for changes. You will be notified anything goes wrong with it in the future. Here you can see the success. So this is the whole process, friends. Your sitemap is the roadmap of your website. Whole navigation system, maps of your every page, every content. So Google can crawl it across your website. Google can see or fetch any information from your website and show to the user. And what you get? You get the traffic, what you needed. Very simple process and very important, very essential process in the SEO journey of your website.